Hello, hello, welcome to chapter 4, homework YouTube. Today I am making two spirals in this picture. The first spiral is a square piece that keeps going around each other, and then the second spiral has a turn angle. Sorry, my hiccups. It has a turn angle. And so that's what we're going to be making first. First, we're going to make the square, and then we're going to make the turn spiral-y thing. To start out, I imported Turtle and window screen. I made the color green already, and I put an extra title just in case. Just because I like to have the titles of the modules, just because then I am more aware of what specifically is being drawn. And then I have the color blue and pen size 3 to 3, and my speed is 0 because we're going to be drawing a lot of things, and so we don't want to have to wait. Right now my pen is up. I set my position to -400, so I assumed basically that the whole window of my screen will be 800, and so that was how I measured it to be -400 to the left, and then the turn, you'll see later on, the picture to the right will be 400 and 0. Like, the X will be 400 and the Y will of course be 0 because we're not moving up or down. We want it to be next to each other. Sorry guys. So then, for this picture, I'm going to use a for loop, and I'm going to say for I in range, and I want to do 56, so 56 squares around each other, and then I'm going to move right 90 degrees, and then we're going to have that move forward, and this is the tricky part, 6 times for I plus 1. So this basically means that we're moving forward 6 times, and we're going to add that to each tiny square by 1, so that each square is increasing by this number. Deb is going to move right again 90. Then it's going to be Deb forward again 6 I plus 1. Okay, so then this is what we have right now. I'm going to run it just to see if it works. Okay, we have it invalid. Oh, I forgot the N. Sometimes I type really fast. Okay, make sure you guys are checking your codes so you don't have that problem. Make this bigger. Okay, see? So because we moved the dimension to -400, the position we'll draw here. So next we're going to draw the turn angle spiral thing to the right, and we're going to start by, wait, where's my, I'm going to end this, and then we're going to do that by picking up our pen again, because right now our pen is down. Give us a space. So pen up, and then we're going to set the position for this one to be 400, and the Y to be 0, of course, and then pen down. Oops. Sorry, I've been having hiccups all day, so, ooh, excuse me. So then we're going to start again with another for loop for I in range, and we're going to make it the same number as the one below or above, and then this one is a bit different because we're going to be turning. All we want to do is decrease the angle to be 89, or you could do 88. So this means that it will, instead of drawing it to be 90 degrees, it will twist it, shift it just 89 degrees. Just a little bit so that it could look like the picture to the right. And then step forward 6. We're going to use the same movement that it will not change. +1. Okay, make sure you're using all the right parentheses, and then that will go 89 again, and then it will go forward again 6 times I plus 1. Okay, this should work. Let's run this. Let's see what we get. Let's see. See, nice. So all I did was twist. If you can tell right here, it twisted the square that I drew just a tiny bit. This was 90 degrees and this is 89. That's it, everyone. This is my code for this problem, and that is how I got the spiral thing, this picture. Thank you.